Yes, in subject verb agreement, in the first part, 10 rules you have known. Now 10, 11 rules in second part also. So rule number 11th. Rule number 11th is that there are many nouns which have two parts. In single only, there are two parts, just as trousers, pajama, glasses, spectacles, pants, shoes, socks, tongs means chimta, binoculars, durbin. They all have two parts in one and they take plural verb. For example, glasses, my glasses are broken. My trousers are new. These scissors have been bought. So, with scissors, glasses, shoes, socks, trousers, spectacles, with all these, plural verb is used. But if there is a pair of trousers, a pair of glasses, a pair of shoes, then singular is used. A pair of trousers was bought. Trousers were bought. And a pair of trousers was bought. Now, 12 number. That is, there are many words in English which always remain in singular form and then require singular verbs, just as furniture. Furnitures is wrong. Furniture remains always singular. Scenery, luggage, information, advice, news, poetry, knowledge, dirt, dust, traffic, electricity, money, music, coffee. They never take plural form and always singular verb is used. For example, all his furniture is new. Are new, no? That just as his luggage is heavy. Are heavy, no? So with these verbs, only singular with these nouns, only plural singular verb is used, and they never take their plural form also. Furniture never takes furnitures. Furniture and is, has, singular verb is used. 13 number. There are some words which look like singular but they are plural and plural verb is used. For example, people. People look like singular but it is not singular, it is plural and plural verb is used. Folk, gentry, cattle, police, children. The cattle are grazing. People are thinking. So always with this, always plural verb is used. Another 14th number. Here adjective. The is added before adjective, then it takes plural form. Like the poor. The poor means garib log. The fat means mote log. So if before adjective, before fat, the is used, then it becomes plural because it indicates the whole category. So plural verb is required. The poor are honest. The fat need exercise. So that is one rule. Now rule number 15. Rule number 15 is there are many names of subjects where in the end there is s or es and they seem like plural but they are not plural, they are singular. Names of subjects, names of diseases, names of games, names of places, and they are singular and singular verb is required. For example, mathematics, economics, physics, phonetics, aesthetics, they are subjects. So mathematics is my favorite subject. Economics is an easy subject. Never are, no. Other diseases, measles, mumps, diabetes, the all diseases, there are many diseases in the end of which there is s or es, but they are singular. They require singular verb. For example, measles is a dangerous disease. Games also, billiards, darts, cards. They all are athletics, athletes. These all are look like singular, but they look like plural, but they are singular. Although s or es is in the end, billiards, s hai, darts, s hai, but it is not plural. It is singular, and singular verb is needed. Place also Wales, Athens, United States. So Wales is a rich country. Is singular verb is used. That is rule number 15. Now 16th. There are many words which join two subjects. They are as well as, along with, together with, in addition to, and not, like, unlike, including, excluding, but, except, besides, and before these phrases also and after these phrases also subject noun is used. Just for example, Ram as well as his brothers is honest ki are honest. The rule tells that if these two nouns are joined with, as well as, along with, then according to the first noun verb is used. For example, Ram as well as his brothers is a good boy. Ram, according to the Ram verb will be used. Ram as well as his brothers is a good boy. The thief along with his members, the thief along with his members was caught. This sum, in addition to those, is very easy. Ram, like his brothers, is laborious. In this way. So, if two verbs are joined with these words, as well as, along with, together with, in addition to, like, including, besides, excluding, etc., then according to the first subject only verb is used. Another is nothing but, rule number 17. There is nothing but and noun. Noun may be singular also, noun may be plural also. So if singular noun, then singular verb is used, and if plural noun, then plural verb is used. Just as nothing but water is seen, nothing but trees is seen. So here plural, trees is plural, and in the first one water is singular, and for nothing but is, and singular is or plural is, but singular verb is only used. Nothing but water is seen, nothing but trees is seen. According to nothing only verb will be used, not water and trees. Another is 18 number, each, every, either, neither, everyone, anyone, no one, someone, nobody, somebody, etc. These all require singular verb. Each boy has a pen. Either of them knows it. No one is ready to do this. Someone has understood this. Now 19 number, both, many, few, they are always used with plural, and plural verb is needed. That both are ready to help us. Many students, many have gone to the field. Few are coming to meet us. So with both, many and few, plural verb is used. The rule number 20. There is either or, neither nor, either Ram or I, neither Ram nor I. And in this what happens, what verb is used? According to the last subject. According to the subject near the verb. जो that subject which is near the verb, according to that subject is used. Just as either you or he, then according to the he verb will be used. Either you or he is guilty. Either Ram or I am going to help you. Now 21. There is a relative clause. The words who, what, which, this, they have antecedent. Antecedent means the word for which they are used. The word before these words, just as the boy who is playing. Who is there, then before who, whatever subject is, whatever noun is, according to that the verb will be used. The boy who is playing, the boys who are playing. So we have to see what subject is before who, before what, before which. According to that subject only verb will be used. Now 22 number. Sometimes there are two nouns and with both article is used, and sometimes there are two nouns and with one only article has been used. When with one only article is used, then singular is used because it indicates only one noun. And if article is used with both, then it is plural verb is used because two are in number. Just here example, a red and black cow is grazing. So the same one cow only, that is red also and black also. So is has been used. And here second sentence, a red and a black cow are grazing, because there are two cows. One cow is red and one is black. So a red, a black, then are grazing. A red and black is grazing. And 23rd number, last number rule. There are many words which are used in pair. They come together, they are joined with and, but they work as single subject. Just as rice and curry is my favorite food. Rice and curry pair words they are, but they are eggs and butter. They are not pair word. Egg is that non-vegetarian thing and butter is vegetarian thing. So here are. They are not pair words. Bread and butter is pair. So bread and butter is my favorite food, and egg and butter are sold here. So these are the main rules related to subject verb agreement. Now I will give you in next time some problem to solve.